Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your role name on your account on Discord on role settings, easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click roles. Now click here, and now as you see here you can change your role name and click save, and that's it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.